This is a final video to fix mods crashing Starfield or not working at all. Are you frustrated because Starfield keeps crashing, freezing, or refusing to launch whenever you try to use mods? This usually happens because the mods are outdated, incompatible with the current game version, or load order conflicts cause errors. Many solutions online are long, confusing, and hard to follow, asking you to manually edit files, reinstall the game, or tweak complex settings, which can be risky and time-consuming. But today on Rexist, I'll show you a secret easy trick that fixes mods crashing Starfield safely and quickly in just a few steps. First, we'll verify your game files to remove any corrupted data, then check each mod for compatibility with your current version, and finally, organize and adjust the load order so Starfield can run all mods smoothly. This method works on almost all PC setups, keeps your save files and mods safe, and doesn't require advanced technical knowledge. If you want to make a full step-by-step tutorial showing exactly how to fix mods not working and prevent crashes, leave a comment below, and I'll guide you through on Rexist. Try this trick today and enjoy Starfield with mods running perfectly without crashes or errors.